One of the most successful Apple products was the iPhone SE, a compact smartphone with powerful hardware. In 2017, the model became the best-selling, so many are looking forward to its successor. It seems that the wait is not long. The new product may be presented next year. Today the first images of the alleged iPhone SE2 have appeared. Judging by them, the smartphone will look like a hybrid of the iPhone 5 and iPhone 11. From the first, it will get a metal case with flat faces. From the latter, the design of the cameras on the back. iPhone SE2 is expected to get a 5-inch screen manufactured by Sharp. The previous generation smartphone was equipped with a display diagonal of only 4 inches. Early rumors claimed that the smartphone would retain the home button with a built-in Touch ID fingerprint scanner, like the iPhone 8. However, Apple will equip the smartphone with Face ID unlock technology, the sensors of which are inscribed in the company's eyebrow. It is expected that the iPhone SE2 will be the most affordable smartphone in the Apple line. Now this niche is occupied by the iPhone 8, but next year it can be removed from production. In addition, the novelty will receive the SoC Apple A13 Bionic, which is used in the iPhone 11.